Applications window. OneDrive
Yo,
application.
what's up, guys? What's going on? Here's Blueline Tech. I'm back with my friend again.
Hi.
So today we're going to try to update his MacBook,
Yep.
and so that you guys can also know how to do it with VoiceOver if you're using a MacBook. So we're going to open settings, of course.
Pages app. Parallels desktop app application.
Yeah, let me just.
Passwords app. Phone app. Photo booth app. Photos app.
So guys,
application.
I'm still not good in using Mac, so Mac with a combination of VoiceOver. So this might take a while.
Podcast app.
Yeah.
Preview app. QuickTime Player. Reminders app. Safari app.
But I know what we're looking
Shortcuts
for.
app. Siri app. Stickies app. Stocks app. Application. System settings app.
Right, the
application.
system settings. So you're going to open that.
Now in window. Sidebar table. Row 9 of 36. General. Selected.
And for some reason, I just my friend just told me that every time you open your settings, the focus is directly on general.
Yep.
So tell me in the comment section if you if you have it different, but
Yeah.
this is actually kind of weird because I thought it would be on the search field and you just have to look for it or something, but yeah, it's all right, man. So now where should I go?
To the scroll area.
Yes.
Search text field. Sidebar table.
Right now,
Row
that's
9
the
of
search
36.
field.
General. Selected.
So I should go in there.
Not the sidebar.
Vertical splitter. Scroll close.
Yeah,
Scroll
yeah.
area. In scroll area. 16 items general.
So right here, I think we should look for update, right? No.
Yes.
Yeah, updates.
Right.
Software update, I guess.
Manage your overall setup and preferences for Mac, such as software updates, device language, AirDrop, and more.
Okay, we
About
write.
button.
Hold on.
About button.
About
Software update button.
right there. And now, out of the scroll area.
Just press the button
Okay.
for now. Okay. That's normal. Sometimes it doesn't say anything.
Software update.
Oh yeah, software update. Yeah.
Search text field. Blank.
Yeah.
Sidebar table. Row 11. Vertical splitter. Software update. Scroll area.
Yep. Go in.
In there.
In software update. Scroll area. 2 items. Scroll area.
So guys, you have to so you have to take note of this because when you're using VoiceOver on Mac, it always puts everything in
A group.
groups. So that's why it says scroll area and sometimes sidebar and whatever. So you have to always use.
This can be an advantage for some of you, but it's actually for beginners a very
Difficult.
disadvantage.
Yeah,
Disadvantage.
difficult thing to do
That's
because
difficult.
you have to always. That's why I'm also using the trackpad because it's just kind of because I think if you turn the trackpad off, you have to press caps lock and then enter, and that's then activate.
Yeah.
It doesn't make sense, but maybe it makes sense, but not to me.
Help button.
So
Scroll area. Help button. Scroll
Now
area.
you have to go and scroll.
not again.
In scroll area. 22 items. Image.
22 items.
macOS Tahoe 26.5.2.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the new one.
26.5.2 to 269 gigabytes.
Damn.
Update tonight button.
So should we do update tonight so that we don't have to wait long?
I think it will install the update tonight then.
Yeah, it will install the
Or you
update
can
tonight.
update it right now.
But then the video will be long.
Yeah.
So you know what? Let's just
Update now button.
um
Update now button.
you know what? Let's just tap on update now.
Update now button.
I think there's a problem with some buttons with the trackpad. Okay.
Agree button. Disagree button.
And that's the license.
Apple Incorporated. Agree button. Disagree button. Apple Incorporated. macOS SDK and Xcode agreement. Please read this macOS SDK and Xcode agreement. License carefully before using the developer software defined below. By using the developer software, you are agreeing to be bound by the
Yeah,
terms.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Disagree button. Agree button.
Agree.
Software update, scroll
Hey,
area.
Green, shut up.
Closing dialog, software update, scroll area. Close button.
So what's happening now?
Software update, scroll area.
Scroll area.
Close. Minimize button. Close. Software update, scroll area.
Should I go in there?
Yes.
In software update, scroll area. 2 items, scroll area. Help button. Scroll area.
Yeah, that appears only if the Mac
Help
is found
button.
an
Scroll
update.
area.
So 2 scroll areas.
In scroll area. Close button. Installed.
Installed.
macOS Tahoe 26.5.1. Automatic updates. On automatic updates. Show detail button.
Should it?
Beta updates. Off beta updates.
Yeah.
Show detail button. Use of this software is subject to the original license agreement that accompanied the software being updated. Learn more. Installing update. About 2 minutes remaining. 79% progress indicator.
Right, you guys, you can enjoy the
That's progress bar, the ticking sound.
yes.
2 minutes. Yeah, just because I have my router here.
Bro, your router saved us.
Yes.
I mean, like, last time when I came to your house, you saw what it said. Like, what did you say, 4 years or something for an update?
Yes.
Yo,
just because that damn repeater there.
Yo,
That was too slow.
nah, dude, that was crazy. 4 years to install an update is actually really crazy.
About 4 years.
About 4 years and 2 days left or something. Oh my god, that was
Yeah.
some crazy shit.
Installing update. About 53 seconds remaining. 91%
53
progress indicator.
seconds left.
I think the update will be prepared. That will take another
Yeah, while
20 minutes or so.
yes. So I think what will happen now is the update will install. I think the Mac might restart
Yep.
and you done
Installed.
installed. So I think right now is going to prepare
Progress
it.
indicator.
Yes,
Checking for updates.
checking my update. Let's wait for that.
Image.
Okay.
macOS Tahoe 26.5.2. 26.5.2 to 269 gigabytes. Update tonight button. Update now button.
You can actually choose update tonight or update now.
Yeah.
Update tonight.
Let's do update tonight.
India log disagree button. Agree button.
Agree, bro. Am I not just repeating the same?
I don't know what happened.
Agree button. Disagree button. Agree button.
You know what? Let's do it.
Soft in password dialog. Software update.
I have to enter your
to schedule the
password.
software update for tonight.
I'm gonna do it.
So, bro, I hope nobody can see your password on the screen.
No, I don't think so. That's just a screen recording. So,
Password secure text field.
It's
yeah,
all, it's
that's
all
a
good.
secure one.
Okay, good.
Software update. Scroll area. Group. Closing dialog. Software
Yes,
update.
let's
Scroll
see.
area. Close button. Minimize but zoom button. Toolbar. Software update. Search text field. Sidebar table. Vertical splitter. Software update. Scroll area. In software update. Help button. Scroll area. In scroll area. Downloading macOS Tahoe 26.5.2. 10% progress indicator.
Okay, so that is going to take a while.
Image.
Maybe
Downloading
that
macOS
installing
Tahoe
thing
20
was
image. Downloading
security
macOS Tahoe
update or-
26.5.2.
And no, I
16%
think that
progress
was just
image.
you just actually agreeing to, install it.
Downloading macOS Tahoe 26.5.2 67 8 MB of 2 69 gigabytes. About 16 minutes remaining. Image.
Oh,
Okay, guys,
that will take long.
that will take long. So I will say, what is going to happen now is after the update, the Mac is going to restart and you've got your updates. So this is how to install an update
Also,
on Mac.
VoiceOver says VoiceOver on installer progress.
Yeah.
So the installer progress just indicates that it's going on.
Okay, good. So I say
And
this.
after that, you can log in as usual.
Okay, then I'll say this is where we end our video. I'll see you guys in the next video. More videos are on the way. You got something to say?
No.
Okay, peace out, guys. Now I have to end it, but so right now, Command Shift 5.
Yep.
Application, close. Capture select. Stop screen recording button.
Bye, guys.